Well, it's time to say a pleasant good morning to Scott Siskind over there at 110 Jericho Turnpike. That, of course, the address of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Scott, do you anticipate any changes in rates in the next few weeks, particularly as pertains to your government-backed programs?
Well, you know, the whole market, long-term interest rates has been going in the wrong direction. There's certain dynamics, and I'll quickly brush over why, and that is because the marketplace was disappointed with the quarter point that Mr. Bernanke cut as opposed to the half a point, and a lot of inflationary data came out on the wholesale level and the retail level, and of course that causes a lot of fear in the marketplace. So there are reasons why we're going in the wrong direction, and it's important for people to take action, and the 5.5% special is still available, but will no longer be available maybe in the future, shortly. But you can lock it in right now over the phone. If you make that phone call, 718-380-0006, you can speak to any of the loan officers. All the big guns are here. It's Monday morning, and you can take the opportunity to take advantage of the 5.5% conventional and FHA special, 30-year fixed with an APR of 6.30 and a cost per thousand borrowed, only $5.68 per thousand borrowed for 360 months. It's really a tremendous opportunity to consolidate your debts. It's a tremendous opportunity if you've had issues in the past, because you can go with the FHA. But you know, a lot of people are going with the conventional, are able to go with the conventional, I should say, because we have the ability to get automated underwriting, which gives us the advantage of being able to get loans approved that normally in the past we would not have been able to get approved. Because we are Fannie Mae approved and Freddie Mac approved seller servicers, we have access to direct access. Once again, we eliminate the middleman, and it's really something that we can offer a lot of people. A lot of people think, well, I should only go to First Republic because they talk about government-backed loans all the time. Well, you know, we happen to be really feel that we help out a lot of people with the FHA loans, but I never want to say that we don't have programs available for people who qualify for conventional, because the closing costs are less if you can qualify for conventional, and everybody who can possibly get approved conventional will get approved. So if you call 718-380-0006, you can find out if 5.5% conventional or the FHA, depending upon your situation, is going to work for you. Get the facts. It's very important to get the facts. Very, very important. We also have something that some of you should look at least get the facts about, is 15 years. Trading your 30-year mortgage for a 15-year mortgage. A lot of people do it. Over the course of my career, I've helped so many people do it when they look at the numbers. Sometimes people just don't think the numbers are going to work for them, but they might very well work for you. Remember, 4.875% is available conventional. 4.875% for 15 years. That's a 5.62 APR, and the cost per thousand borrowed is $7.84 for only 180 payments. And if you need to go FHA, it's okay, because we have 5%. That's right, 5% FHA. All these rates can be locked in over the phone. Yes, we'll guarantee these rates over the phone. So call right now. Please get the facts. I keep emphasizing how important it is. Don't go by assumptions. Don't go by what the guy next door tells you or the negativity that you hear in the media. Find out what the facts are. We are a direct lender. We truly eliminate the middleman, and you get all the facts. It's very, very important that you get the facts directly. You know, eliminating the middleman not only saves you money, but it ensures that you get accurate information. We've been a direct lender in the community, helping people refinance and purchase homes for 13 years. And we've always been proponents of the government-backed programs: Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, VA, Sony Mae. As a matter of fact, going back to 1985, when I first came into the business as a loan officer, that's what we were doing. That's primarily what we're doing. We also have no-doc loans. We also have stated income loans. We also have loans for people who might be in foreclosure with the FHA Secure. We also have foreclosure bailout programs for different situations. And we do have some prime programs that are able to help people who can't be helped in any other way. We have all the programs possible that are available. And when I talk about the rates on the air, it's important for you to recognize that, of course, I can't guarantee that every single person who calls is going to be eligible for these rates. However, when you speak to the loan officer, you're going to know by the end of the phone call whether or not you can get that 5.5 conventional or FHA or the 15-year, simply by providing information, accurate information, and also we'll check your credit scores, check your credit report. And but after that's done, while you're on the phone with them, I'd say 95% accuracy, you're going to know exactly what program is you're going to qualify for, what the terms are, what the costs are, the benefits are, and you can be locked in at that time. so that if the rate goes up between the time you speak to the loan officer, like right now, 718-380-0006, you won't have to worry. You get the rate locked in and take care of the paperwork afterwards. It's very important to get the facts, get the information. It's very, very important. We're offering free service here, free consultation and free lock-in over the phone. A lot of people make you pay to lock in an interest rate, not at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. So by the time you're off the phone with that loan officer, I say 95% accuracy. Why do I say 95%? The reason is sometimes when people come in, we find out information when we look at their documents that's not really supporting what they told us originally. Sometimes people were missed 6 months worth of work in the last 24 months. Sometimes people they have large deposits in their bank account, or the bank accounts don't reflect the amount of money that we were told. But a lot of times it has to do with the documentation of income. Sometimes people, they get a 1099 and they'll tell us what their gross income is. But when you go look at their tax return, there's deductions that are taken. And that's where you'll see the small part of people who will be looking at a different program. But 95% of you can find out inside of 5 minutes what you can do with refinancing and decide if you want to go ahead with it. You can lock in the rate. We make house calls. We try to make it as easy as possible. There are no hurdles really for you to jump over. Make the phone call. That's all you have to do. 1-800-QUICK-LOAN. 1-800-QUICK-LOAN makes it so easy. That's the no excuses hotline. We're talking about refinancing. We are having a true refinancing boom here at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. We are utilizing the government-backed programs to help people, either if they're in situations that are very, very bad, or if they're just as far as being behind on a mortgage from a reset on your adjustable, or if you just have high rate and high credit card debt. So many people are getting rid of their credit card debt and consolidating to one low tax deductible payment and being able to take cash out also. And of course, don't forget 15 years, trading your 30-year mortgage and all your credit cards for a 15-year mortgage. Get the facts. The loan officers can rattle off these information for you. Bing, 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 bing. They have the cutting-edge software to be able to tell you, well, if you take out this much money, this is what the payment's going to be. If you want to go with a 15-year, this is what your payment's going to be. If you want to be able to take out even more money, this is what the payments are going to be. They can tell you all of that. So it's very important. I know it's the holiday season right now, but it's a good opportunity. You're spending a lot of money, people running up their credit card debts, doing some shopping online. We find that people's credit card debts get up. Why wait till January when you get the bills? Why don't you take action right now? Take 5 minutes of your time right now, wherever you are, and make the phone call and make the connection, get the lock-in, and then let the loan officer come to you at your convenience, even if it's 10 o'clock at night after you put your kids to sleep, if you're fortunate enough to get your kids to sleep that early. Give us a call. You'll find out that we're very, very, what I would say, user-friendly. We make it very easy for you to be able to close. If you call today at 718-380-0006, you could close by the end of the year, no sweat. Call 718-380-0006. Find out about our Fast Track program where you can get approved as fast as 2 days for conventional and FHA programs. Make the connection. Make the link right now. 718-380-0006, because it only takes one call. One call does it all. You make that call, and we at First Republic will do it all. First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York. And remember to listen to the Early Ride Home every single Monday starting at 4 o'clock all the way to 8 o'clock. And on Thursdays, the Early Ride Home starts at 5 o'clock all the way to 8 o'clock. And don't forget to listen every single day to the Winner's Circle between 11 and 12 on 93.5 FM on Link Up Radio.